Hey there, call on me. Let's take to the sky.
Ready, set, dance! I love to dig, I love to bark, play in the mud, run around the park. Wag my tail, bury a bone, sleep at your feet when I get home. But if you need emergency, you can call me, yeah, you can call me. You can call on me. Let me hear your pop, howl. Everybody, yip. Put your paws up, put 'em up now. Let me hear your pop, howl. Yeah, go Paw Patrol!
Paw Patrol to the ways watching over the farm, but the animals got loose.
Help!
It's up to us to help Mayor Goodway. So for this mission, I'll need Chase. I need you to use your megaphone to help herd the animals back into the barn.
Chase is on the case.
Oh, right! Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Oh, Ryder! Thank goodness you're here!
Hi, Mayor Goodway. We'll take care of this. Chase, you know what to do. There are 8 missing animals somewhere on the farm.
Roar! Megaphone! Let's get you back to your pen. Let's get you back to your pen.
I'm a horrible farmer!
Just a bit further. Just a bit further. Let's get you back to your pen. Just a bit further. Let's get you back to your pen. Just a bit further. We need 7 more animals in the pen. There's 6 more animals, 5 more animals, and we're good to go. Halfway there. 4 more animals, 3 more. 2 left. Just 1.
Great herding, Chase. Now to save Mayor Goodway.
But Tina, slow down! I can't hang on much longer. Please, stop! I meant slowly!
Chase, use your net.
Rough net.
Whoa! Oh, phew! And I thought riding a horse was tough. I can't thank you all enough for saving me and the farm.
No problem, Mayor Goodway.
You really are some farmer.
Welcome back, pups.
Help me get these rides into shape.
So then the chickens drove my truck straight through the barn. Now something's making it sound all wonky.
I see the problem, but let's get that cleaned up. Oval. An oval is a shape that is long and slightly rounded, like an egg. It has no corners or straight sides.
Great job! Oh, It's already looking better. Nice work.
Green means go.
Much appreciated, Rocky. Feathers and engines do not mix.
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. That looks like it needs a lot of help.
And on my quest to find the chicken tulip, I must have driven through a few too many leaves.
Here's the issue, but we'll have to clean it first. Heart. A heart is a shape that is used to show love and affection. It has two rounded parts and a pointy end.
Isn't it wonderful, Chicoletta? Good work!
Green means go.
It's as good as new. Thank you so much, Rocky.
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. Yet. We've got some letters.
Farmer Yumi can count on us.
Thanks for giving me a hand on the farm, Marshall.
Wow, the sheep are gonna love all this food.
Mr. Porter brought some leftover veggies for the sheep to eat. Can you bring these sheep to me?
Ready or not, I'm coming in hot. All right, you hungry sheep, follow me. Follow me. Jump in line. Follow the leader.
Well done. Let's bring these sheep over to me.
You bet. 5, 5, 6, 4, to your door.
I'm only looking for sheep with a 5. Add them to your line and bring them to me.
Oh, go play, little friend.
Good try. Bring these sheep to me, Marshall.
I'm fired up. 5, 5, 5 has the drive.
Well done.
All right, what's next?
This can't be a farm painting with no sheep.
Francois needs sheep for his...
Cool. Let's put this word back together.
Good, good.
G. O. A. L. Cool.
I got it. Yes, yes.
A goal is a point you score when you play sports. A goal is also the thing you put the ball into to score the point. Hat. Oh no! H. A. T. C. H. Hat. Oh, anything yet?
Nope, Olivia's been patiently warming up her eggs, but they are taking their sweet time to hatch.
That's okay. Maybe this way Ryder and the pups will get here in time to see them hatch. Well, what do you know?
To hatch is when an egg opens up and a baby bird, fish, or reptile comes out. Hatch-tastic! Hatch!
Hey there! Welcome to letter construction. Are you ready to build some letters? Let's K. Use the crane to put the letter together. K. Nice job! K is the first letter in key. Oh no! Let's put this word back together. K. E. Y. Key. Nice work! Ugh, locked. Captain Turbot, Ryder here.
Ryder, is that
The
you?
lighthouse door is locked. Is there a key around here somewhere?
Sure, right here. Safe and sound. Oh, that's not much help, is it?
Key starts with K. L. Great job! L is the first letter in ladder. Oh no! Let's put this word back together. L. A. D. D. R. E. Ladder. Great work!
Don't worry, Monkey Buddy. I'm coming for you. Our ladder. Almost there. Hang on just a little bit longer. Aw, you're welcome.
Ladder starts with L. Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway! Paw Patrol to...
Drag the screen to search for Robo-Dog. If you see him flying by, tap on him. Robo-Dog is up near Katie's. Now he's zoomed off. He's at City Hall. Wait, he's taking off again.